This video is going to be an explanation for finding the number of reactants needed for the round trip, which is column number 5. In your data table, which I have a portion of the data table right here. In the previous video, we talked about how to find the information for column 2 and 4, and this video is going to show you how to find this particular number here, the number of reactants needed for the round trip, right? Number of reactants needed for round trip, column number 5. You want to have this in your notebook, page 66, right? If you're in periods 1 and 2, you really want to watch this because that might hopefully clear up everything. And I apologize for being so unclear. I thought it was clear and it was not clear. You need this total energy needed for the trip. Everybody needs this number, 8.0 times 10 to the 32nd power electron volts. You need this, and EV stands for electron volts. So this is energy. So to get from Earth to Pluto and back, it's going to require 8.0 times 10 to the 32nd electron volts. That is that number that we need. Here is the generic formula for completing the math for column number 5. You're going to take the total energy, which I'm providing for you here, over 1, times a fraction that has 1 molecule over energy released, which you find in column number 4. Next to this, I'm going to model this for wood. All right. Well, the number that we want to get to is the number they provided for us. So I take the total energy, which is right here. Everybody's going to have this same number over 1, because that's what it tells me, times 1 molecule over energy released, column 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, energy released. Here is that number, 25 EV. Every single one of you is going to use this number, but this number right here, the 25 EV, because they're going to all be different for the fuels, this number is going to be different. Now if I take a look at the units, EVs cancel, and I'm left with molecule. And then I pick up my calculator and I do 8 second function big E, 32 enter, times 1, well that's itself, I'm not going to do that, but then divided by 25, enter. And the answer that I get is 3.2 times 10 to the 31st. That is a 3. There you go. This is the only unit I have not canceled out, so that is my unit molecule. And this is my answer. That is the same number they got, so we're good. And you will write your answer in column number 5. You are going to have to write numbers in scientific notation in your calculator, and exponents again is on page 23. So I'll use this. I'll write it right here. Exponents, notebook, page 23. Okay. Again, this is the math example to find the number of reactants needed for the round trip, column number 5.